Optime is the first instant chairside compatible digital X-ray system with wireless and flexible imaging sensor plates. Optime is as easy to install as it is to use. All cables are connected to Optime via the back panel on your Optime unit. The round connector is the power supply connector. Plug Optime's 110-volt power supply into this round power connector on the back panel. Optime may be connected either to your network or directly to a computer using a standard RJ45 Ethernet cable. To connect to the network, plug the network cable directly into the hub connector, which is the jack furthest from the power connector. To connect Optime to a local computer, plug the network cable directly into the PC connector, which is the jack closest to the power connector. Once connected, to turn the system's power on, press the left standby key on the front of the system. The yellow standby light will go off when the system's power is turned on. Optime can be configured to work with a single computer or in a shared environment where Optime is accessed from different computers using the multi-connect option. Optime allows you to configure Optime to the network using the Direct Connect option by entering Optime's serial number, which is found on the back panel of Optime. Or you may assign an IP address and then click on Send a Scanner while holding down the Start key on the front panel of Optime until the beep is heard. Your software provider can offer complete instructions for networking and software operation of Optime. Once Optime is connected, the green ready light will illuminate. You may now scan sensor plates. Optime's imaging sensor plate is a thin, flexible plate, very similar in use and technique to film. The blue side of the Optime sensor plate is the active side, and the blue side of the plate is always placed facing the teeth and towards the X-ray source. The small eye dot on the blue front side of the panel is the orientation marker on the image. The large eye dot on the black back side of the plate always faces away from the X-ray source. Both eye dot numbers can be used for plate identification. The cardboard plate cover extends the life of the plate by protecting the front surface of the plate and is placed on the plate before it is inserted into the aseptic barrier envelope. The black side of the cover should cover the blue side of the sensor plate. Fold the white half of the cover back over the black side of the plate so that the white cardboard tab is under the metal disc. Insert the plate and cover into the barrier envelope with the black surface towards the black side of the envelope. You should be able to see the back side of the plate with metal disc and orientation dot through the clear side of the envelope. Remove the paper strip, fold the barrier flap over, and seal the bag with your finger. Standard film holders and positioning devices can be used, such as a cardboard bite wing tab, or standard RIN or other types of film positioners. Position the Optime imaging plate packet into the mouth in the same manner that you would place a film packet into the mouth, with the black side of the packet facing the teeth and X-ray source. Expose the imaging plate with a standard intraoral X-ray source at approximately the same or slightly less exposure time than f-speed film. Experiment with each X-ray source in your practice to determine optimal Optime exposure times for each X-ray unit. If your Optime is centrally located rather than chairside, place each imaging plate as exposed onto the Magna Mount board. Once the complete series is taken, the plates may be inserted into Optime in the correct Magna Mount numerical order. To remove the imaging plate from the barrier envelope, peel open the barrier envelope flap, hold the plate between the first and second fingers of your left hand, then push the plate out of the envelope with your thumb. Hold the plate and cover with the thumb of your right hand on the black surface of the cardboard plate cover. If Optime has timed out, indicated by a flashing green light and the door closed, press the Start key. Insert the imaging plate into Optime with the back of the plate next to the plate carrier. You will feel the magnet grab the plate. Remove the cardboard cover, leaving the imaging plate resting in the plate carrier. Once you remove the cardboard cover, Optime will automatically scan, then erase the sensor plate. Optime automatically ejects the plate into the collecting cup. Optime is then ready to scan another plate. Once scanned and displayed, Optime images can then be reviewed with the patient. Once Optime ejects the plates into the collecting cup, they are ready to be rebagged and used again. To avoid scratching the plates, do not slide the plates out of the cup with your fingers. This is especially important if the blue side of the plate is down, facing the surface of the cup. Remove the imaging plates from the collection cup by removing the cup from the front of the Optime. Then turn the cup over and empty the plates directly onto a paper towel or soft cloth. The plates should be rebagged immediately after removal from the cup so as to prevent scratching and prolong the life of the plates. To turn the Optime's power off at the end of the day, press the standby key until the yellow standby light comes on. The Optime by Soredex, designed for the way you practice dentistry.